The stimulus check is coming in. It's been confirmed. And I've got a few ways of how you can spend your stimulus check. I know bills is the first thing you may be thinking about, but I've got a couple of things that you can think about. I'm going to do a series of videos of what you can use your stimulus check for. You can start earning profit. Take something and grow it. So think about that. That $1,400, it can go really fast, but if you put it in something that can make you money, then that's going to be for real. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more entertainment information that's going to help you each and every single day. So let's go ahead and dive into what I'm going to show you first. This is the first set of videos. One of the things I think when you do get some type of money, yes, paying the bills is usually the first thing, but I'm thinking about growing the money. And one of the things you can do is not only start an online business, but you can also learn how to grow money. So let me go and show you my screen of this beautiful program that teaches you how to do that right now. So let me go ahead and show you my screen, and let's go ahead. I'm brought to you by Discover Heal, the Heal Universe, the Entrepreneur Affiliate Rewards Program. Now, right below this video, you can get started with Heal. You can start learning how to earn commissions. You can learn how to grow a business, start a business, make some money on the side. And yes, you can do that all in 2021. So don't even worry about it. You have no experience. If you have no experience and you don't even know what I'm talking about, pay attention to this video right here. So here is Heal Universe. This just got rolled out really just the other day, and I want to share it with you right now. Now, when you become a VIP, and you can do that today, by clicking on the link below, signing up to become a VIP, you'll get 15% commissions on all digital products and physical products. Now, you're probably wondering, what are physical products? What's the difference between digital products? Well, physical products gonna be like t-shirts and things like that. So you can get commissions off, t-shirts. So let's say your mom or your grandfather or something like that wants a shirt, you can literally kind of like, sell it to them or something like that, and you get a commission from that. That's just an example of a physical product. Now, digital product is going to be training and things like that. So we have a really good training called Big Profile Profits. And let's say you sell that, or you get somebody to really join to do that. And Big Profile Profits is a way you can grow your business on Facebook pretty much. You'll get 15% commission. That's just an example of it. So you want to think about that. So that $1,400 stimulus check or extra money you have laying around, use it to help you make more money. Absolutely. Now, VIP is a really exclusive place, but if you want to be real exclusive with all the superstars, you want to be an elite member. Now, elite member gets 30% on physical and digital products, and you get the elite loyalty bonus. So I like the elite loyalty bonus because it's rewarding you from your hard work. Now, you also earn 1 share of every month you're an active elite. You can become elite tonight as well by clicking on the link below and become an elite member today. You must remain active each month to qualify. So you must become an elite member, and then you have to stay a member to be able to be eligible for these bonuses. And then 5% company revenue bonus on all digital product sales. So that's really good. 5% of all digital product sales. Take that $1,400 or that extra money that you have, put it in something like Heal, where you can be educated and you're learning how to make money online, learning how to grow a business, learning how to brand yourself, and then you can do this along with a full-time job or anything like that, or even full-time student. So here's another thing I like about it. Pays every Monday night. You must generate 1 new sale, $9 and up per month to qualify commissions. Think about that. Just one $9 sale. That's all it is, and pays every Monday night. You like to get paid on Monday night. Monday nights used to be known as, football, Monday Night Football. Now you get paid on Monday night. So I wanted to share this with you guys, and it's really, really cool. It's called the Heal Universe Entrepreneur Affiliate Rewards Program, and you become a VIP or VIP Elite today just by taking action today and going through the process. Now, You're probably wondering if this is for you or not. If you're somebody basically struggling to make money, or you're struggling with your full-time job, or you're struggling basically trying to find yourself and you're in between jobs or you're in between opportunities, this is a good place for you because this training and this place is really good. The best thing about the Heal University that I like about it is the community aspect of it. The community aspect of it is golden. You got people in there that really cares about you, here to grow, and here to see you succeed. So click on the link below to get started. I want you to become a VIP or an elite tonight, today. And do it when you get your stimulus check, or do it before you get your stimulus check, because you can take some of that money, become an elite and a VIP, go all in, and see what happens, because this you'll be eligible for commissions just by following simple steps. Simple steps. We got training over here to help you as well. Go ahead, go back over here. Go back to here. Commission. So there you go. So Entrepreneur Affiliate Rewards Program, absolutely ready to go. So click on the link below to get started. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Man, I'm so excited about this Heal University. I think this is going to help a lot of people like yourself. And I know you're sitting there wondering, I'm watching this whole video. If this is for you, yes, this is for you. Sign up. I see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait till you become Heal University and then graduate from the Entrepreneur Affiliate Rewards Program. I'll see you inside.